Hey guys, Dave Johnson with City Motors here. Today on our tech tutorial, we will be covering proximity keys. Stick around, let me tell you how that works. Okay, your proximity key. Vehicles with your proximity key, you're going to have just a simple remote, just like this, simple remote, no key on there, although most of them will have a safety key inside here, just in case your battery dies in there, you can still get into your car. But for the most part, you just have a remote here. You can keep that thing in your pocket, which I'm going to put in there right now, as you can see. Put it in my pocket. With the proximity key, what you're going to do, most of them have sensors on the handle where you touch it and it'll unlock the door, and it'll have a button there. So they're going to have one of the two. This one, you just push. Now I've locked the door, can't get in it. Now I'm pushing the button and it is unlocking the doors. That's going to allow you to get in, and again, the key is still in my pocket. So long as I step on the brake and push the start button, the car's going to start right up, and push it again and it turns it off. As long as that key is in your pocket or in your purse or just on your person somewhere, it's going to work. Most of those will have a sensor on the passenger door, a sensor near the trunk so you can open it with just a touch. So that is your proximity key. That's how they work. This is a 2015 Nissan Altima, but your proximity key is going to work the same on pretty much all vehicles. It's just a slight variances on how they operate, but that's how your proximity key works. It is one of those features where once you have it, you're going to have it on every vehicle you own. I absolutely love it. So there you go. If you have any questions, contact us at City Motors. Go to citymotors.net. Call us at 540-433-7335. Text that number 24/7. Thanks for stopping by, guys.